Welcome students to your online classes. Now our today's topic is friction under chapter number 10, that is force, work and energy. In the last class we had already learned about one of the force, that is gravitational force or gravity. Let's revise it first. Gravitational force or gravity is actually the force which is applied by the earth on any object. Okay, whenever we throw or whenever we throw any object towards the sky or up in the upward direction, then after some time that object will come back to the earth again. That the reason behind it is only and only gravitational force, because the earth always provide the gravitational pull towards any of the object. Even we are standing, we are running, we are walking on this earth, that is because of the gravity. If gravitational force will not be there on the earth, or the earth will not provide this gravitational force, then we all will just I can say we all will fly in the environment or in the atmosphere. Okay, why we are standing, अपन खड़े क्यों हैं? Why we are attached with the earth? Because of the gravitational force. Okay, now next topic is friction. Fine. Now what is friction actually, or what happens? First of all, let us consider an example, like when you push a pencil box on a table. When you push a pencil box on a table, then what happens? Does it keep moving, or it stops after some time? Then your answer will be, ma'am, it will stop after some time. Why? What is the reason behind it? The main reason behind the stopping of that box is friction. When there will be the rubbing force between the box and the table. Okay, so means you will observe that the box will stop after moving a certain distance because of friction. That is a force. Okay, so friction is a force that acts when two objects are in contact with each other. So what is friction? It is a force that acts when two objects are in contact with each other. Like how? Like when, suppose if I am rolling this marker on this table, then when I will just means slip it over, then it will stop after moving a certain distance. Okay, so what this force do actually? So this friction force resist means stop. Okay, it will provide obstacle in the movement, in the motion of a moving object. Whenever an object is moving, that it will provide the resistance. Okay, it slows down or stops a moving object. The main function of this friction force is कि वो या तो stop कर देता है motion को या फिर slow कर देता है motion को. Fine. Rough surfaces cause more friction because they are rough. Okay, so you already know that if you will walk on a tiled surface, or if you will walk on the road, then you can walk easily on the road as comparison to the tiled surface. In the tiled surface you will tend to slip. Okay, आप फिसलेंगे. ठीक है. So why? Because the smooth or the tiled surface provide less friction. Okay, and you will not be able to walk properly, whereas the rough surface provides more friction. Fine. So it is the friction which help us to walk without slipping. So this is all for the friction. Now our next topic is work. Here we have completed our force topic. Now we will come back to the next topic, that is work. Right? So what happens? What is work actually? Whenever you will push a chair or a table or a book and move them from its place. Okay, move from one place to another. Then whenever you will push them, they will move. Okay, so that is known as work. But instead of that, if I want to push the wall, then would I be able to push this wall from one place to another? Then the answer will be no. So in this case, no work will be done. Only work will be done in that case when we will be able to move a particular object from one place to another. Okay, it comes under the scientific language. Okay, suppose if you are studying at by sitting at a particular place, then you are not doing any kind of work because you are not moving from one place to another. So but I know that you are doing work, you are doing your studies, but the work is said to be done when force applied on an object changes the position of the object. So when work will be done, it is said to be done. It is said to be done when force applied on an object changes the position of an object. Okay, whenever we will apply the force on an object, and it will change the position of an object. Okay, whatever force will be applied on an object, it will change the position of the object. Then it is said that work has been done. It is said to be done, or it is said work to be done. Verb. It here is work. Okay, so work is said to be done when force applied on an object changes the position of an object. Okay, so according to science, work is not done in reading, thinking, standing with a load and sleeping. But if you are doing all these sort of work, then work will not be done according to science. Okay, this is because either no force is applied on the object or there is no change in the position of the object in these cases. So I hope you understood what is work, what is friction, and now students, that's all for today.